Hi, I'm Jordan from Dirac. Today, I'm going to give you some great tips on how to do a Dirac Live calibration in your home. So the most important part of measurement in Dirac Live is the first measurement point. That has to be at ear level in your usual listening position. Once you've done that, you can move around the room to the other points, creating sort of a 3D bubble, where your measurement points create the outer bounds of the bubble. Everything in that space is going to sound really good when you're done. So after correcting with Dirac Live, you might hear less bass coming from your system. A really easy way to fix that is just to go back into filter design and drag up that left-hand handle. Once you've exported a new filter, your bass will be right back where it was. So the most important thing is not to spend too much time during volume calibration. It doesn't set levels for when Dirac Live is finished. What you want to do is make sure each speaker plays back and then set the volume to a normal listening level. All you're trying to do is make sure that the speakers are loud enough that the microphone can hear them. As long as the microphone can hear them, you're going to get a good reading and a good measurement. If your sound is off-center after using Dirac Live, what you want to do is go back and remeasure the first measurement point and make sure it's really centered, because it's that measurement point that determines delays and gains for all speakers. So you can't edit a filter after it's been exported, but you used a project file to create that filter. If you just reopen that project file in Dirac Live, you'll be able to create a new filter with your changes.